tell you about the description of the electric kettle. The electric kettle has the minimum value of 0.5 liters and it can accommodate until the maximum value of 1.7 liters. Electric kettle has coil that acting as the heating element, which has the power of 2200 watt and the voltage of 240 volt. It has driving mechanism that can auto shut the power when the water is fully boiled. And it has the electromagnetic device that controls the driving mechanism, which acts as the turn on and turn off button for the power of the electric kettle.
Okay, I will explain you about the type and the history about the kettle. First, the type of the kettle. We have stainless steel kettle, glass kettle, cast iron, and electric kettle. And second, the history about the kettle. The early kettle were made from iron and were placed directly on the flame. Copper would become common until the 19th century. And the electric kettle developed by the Carpenter Electric Company. It is the very first electric kettle in the year 1891 in the United States. And after that, automatic kettle. Ruzaini developed the first, which was fully automatic in the year 1956.
Okay, I'm going to explain about the working procedure of the water heater. Okay, first of all, you need to open up the lid. Then you put the water inside the water heater. After that, we close the lid tightly. Okay, before we put the water heater on the base, we must make sure the base is dry. And then we put the water heater on the base. And when we put the water heater on the base, we switch on the power supply. And then we click down this mechanism. And then we wait for the water to boil. Okay, I'm going to explain about the working principle of electric heater. So the process that happens in the electric heater process is the conversion of energy. As we can see here, the electric heater uses electricity as a power supply, and from the electricity, it's transformed into the heat energy into the coil inside the water heater, where the coil produces heat and the heat boil the water. Besides that, we can also see the first law of thermodynamic happen in this process, where it states that the energy cannot be created nor destroyed, but it can transform from another form into another form. As we can see in this process of electric heater, the electricity has been transformed into a heat energy, where the heat energy is used to boil the water.
Treatment. By heating the water, we can kill all the germs present. Second, save time. By using water heater, also we can save our time than using the cooker. Third, safety. Electric water heater are safer than the fuel fire water heater by avoid the hazard. And lastly, simplicity and convenience. Electric water heater are simple. Consequently, they are the simplest and most convenient way to heat water in both residential and commercial building.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So I'm going to present about how do people live before electric heater was invented. So as we know, our ancestors before is using the stove-top heater to heat up their water. There's so much disadvantage by using this stove-top heater. First, they took so much time to reach the boiling point. But the electrical heater we just need almost 2 or 4 or 5 minutes only. And the second advantage, they also need high care of their firewood burning. It is their need to control the firewood to make the water hot.